So guys, we're going to start our battle. Team
Pagkaroon
Murray
diha, Jo.
versus Team James 2024. Alright, kung kinsa man may the start button dito, press lang ang start.
May.
Wala sa ako.
Wala ko.
Na-start ko na.
Kanato kan may ka. Okay.
Okay.
Right, let's start.
Oh my gosh.
So, ang impili ni Maymay kay Kuan.
Kaya mo ito, Timo, ma'am, kita.
Cheating kayo, newscaster.
Kalyo, ato na.
Nato na akon sa.
Pili
Binungaran na to. Binungaran.
Paminaw na ko kay wala may jungler ship ang amo ang AI ang mag-jungler ani.
Si Mano doon ka natin.
Di ko pwede mag-coach kay caster ko.
Hindi na natin
Anything na tank. Anything na tank.
Tanan na to kung unsa ni kamayo mo newscaster si Kuan.
Sige na lang.
Isa na no, tank.
Bito doa kasi Jo unsa ipili.
Kisay no one.
Buwang lagi.
Kana.
Tingo ha may ablayat sis.
Salali ako electric fan diri guys. Bahala mo diya.
Mga duwa ka electric pan ba yan?
Ka na lang kay nalak na te.
Sige.
A mage.
Sa bot na kakuan ha. Jo.
Hello, uy, wa man nag-jungler ang AI may uy. Kung sa man ni siya uy, wa man i-adjust uy.
Timid ka ko na te.
Oh, ba AI uy.
Nagana sa to support uy.
Duha man sa ila
Oh my
support.
goodness.
Ano magna naman kakin?
Oh, parehas is
Pasaranan ko yung napili.
Hoy Glenn, pagtawag na Glenn, daog ka sa dira Glenn ha.
Oh my god.
Cheers ay Klitchy.
Akong heart.
Kanang first skin,
Karong nga ninyo kayo kapat kong gusto ba ni ha?
Pati siya
First sa
maduwa
ubo sa
actually
left.
kay di ka kaginhawa
Sa
pa
right.
murag.
Right.
Hello, nagsige na lang kaginana. Niya na ka kaginawa, matay jud ko diri dapita day. Ang irof i-ready diha.
Alay di di. Tinaw na gyud ni.
Luoy gipalingot ko.
Na gyud ni. Time na to
for
guys, applyan sa
Let the battle begin.
Kuyog sa siya.
Kuyog ko ni mo Glenn.
Kinsa ni ang nana nato uy.
Ako, Chin.
Ikaw. Sige, kuyog mo nga to sa kuan
Tabangi
kin
ko
ay.
diri.
Dili na ko malihok.
Ato lang mo sa kuan kin ay top kin.
Dili malihok.
Patay sila patay.
Patay na, wala na dito.
Uy, kalma lang,
Oh my god, there's something happening at the gold lane.
Luisa.
Oh my god, happening at the gold lane.
Ship
first
dapat
skill,
apila sounds ana imo hang.
Wala pa ko'y first kill.
Panawa ko na.
Ako ka. Slow pa ang nana ko, Glenn.
Pag slow di ay sige.
Ash.
Ala day nalibog na si Jo, day asa ra pa dong day. Tawag na si Jo, ship.
What the fuck?
Buhi ka ba? Kasi ko namatay.
Uy, ano
Ni
ko
ato
ni
na
ako
siya sa
first kill
story.
gawas oy.
Alright, there's something happening. Oh my god, oh my god. There's something happening in the gold lane. Almost died. Alright, shut down. Micah is out. Will she ever get back on her feet? We don't know.
Asa na ba si? Asa na makaan?
Nako diri sa
Ali di rin ako.
May pag-farm dito eh.
Oh no, something died. Something died at the upper.
Asa man ka napita Glenn, kadali sa Glenn. Wata ko Glenn.
Ako sa to nga. Uy, nadiri si Nana patuyo si Nana B.
Uy, Kindra, back Kindra.
Sige.
Oh my god,
Wala.
Kendra is over there. What a brave soul. She's dead.
Catchy guys.
Isa pa kayo mo muna si Jiggy.
Mas nindot kayo
Nabaon ako.
ni Shim. Si Shim bagay. Kay karir jud niya dayag maayo. Sakit akong tiyan ni mo Shim. Mugalit bitaw nagsuot si More. Awa lang
Oh
jud
no,
mo.
something's happening in the middle. Let's see what's going on in the middle.
Basketball.
Oh, Chili is doing a triple shot. Chili. Oh my god. Oh my god. Double kill. Oh my god. So weak in the middle. Oh my god. Chili is the one winner.
Murag Indian lagi.
Uy, ay ga.
that was a very good gameplay with Chinley. Chinley, nakapin of the Team James Chinley.
Chinley.
Murag ka nasa kuan si Moy. Sa hangata ni ka duwa.
Diba,
Oh, no,
i-post
someone
man, diba,
died.
i-post man sa Facebook. Bakit ang
Died,
Jay
died.
na to na
Oh, it was Joe who died. That's okay, Joe. Try again.
Sakit lang. Ano na amo diring upat?
Oh no, there's something's happening in the mid lane. There's 3 people in the mid lane. Oh my god, what is the other team going to do?
Where are you guys?
Mawala tag focus team.
Focus na mo diha, oy.
Tawa ko eh.
Takot ako. Where are you?
OMG, Glenn is going to die. Glenn is going to die.
I'm dying.
Good gameplay with the support. Good with the support. Estes is healing all around.
Sim, mamatay ko ni mo, Sim. Feeling na ko, mas matay ko una ni mo kaysa direct, Sim.
Oh my god. Good job, good counter. Ken Chinley become Pagani Pussy. Oh my god.
Gawas.
Kimchi.
Ako dungog lagi ato na si
Pussy.
Oh, no, Chinley become Pussy. Oh my god.
Ay, kasi
Hala.
Alright, take down the AI. The AI is smarter than Joe. The AI killed Joe. That's okay, Joe. Step up. Next week you're going to win.
Huwag kay si Sim, dahil.
Pwede ba? I-post man sa Facebook dahil bukan ako si James dahil ka mo.
Oh, something's happening at the middle ground. What's going on in the middle ground?
Loko na
Oh my
ba
god,
ninyo?
Joe, you cannot do 3 versus 1, Joe. You cannot do versus 3 versus 1. You're not a top, Joe.
Oh my gosh. Wala, ang ioy.
Ano? Man, oy. No, oy, hindi na mabuti to.
Alright, what's Team Murray going to do? Team Murray has already eliminated the last of their towers. Oh no.
May papushgan may gamay, oy.
Pag-ubo na.
Kaya. Buwang mo ni si Sim mo dagkuan eh.
Oh no.
Oy, naku.
It's okay, Joe. It's okay. Try again. Alright, Team Murray is trying to defend. But what Team James is trying to do? Team James trying to do.
Def na lang, def.
Alright. Okay. Oh no. Oh shit.
Dagan na.
Alright.
Oh no, oh
That's
shit.
That was almost a wipeout. Only Glenn has survived the Team Murray challenge. What will Team Murray do? There's only Glenn.
Ano kita?
Alright. Joe and Micah has been revived. What are they going to do? They only have one tower that's going to defend in the mid lane.
Oh no.
Defend.
Nailom ka na.
Chili is doing the lead. She's
Sakit
doing
kay
it.
akong heart. Way joke. Sige, katawa.
The score is 18-5. I don't know why the score is 18-5.
Hindi ko kaya man.
Ay,
Oh
ipatay
no!
ko.
Chinley killed Anne? Yeah,
Yeah.
Chinley killed Anne.
Gamit sure niya kung ako ba ginto. Si Becca nasuya na
Galing man yung Chinley, uy.
Na naman siya na di siya.
Pwede ka gamit siya
ako. Pa-install ko, magduwa ko niya. Pero nakulang na.
Bag.
Magduwa na lagi ko, promise. Suya, kung tanaw ninyo. Pero
Alright,
nakuling
there's
ako.
like 4 people.
Wait,
four
wait.
people.
Oo.
Right, Team Murray is trying to defend their base.
Oh, mo yung
Bro, Dota, di ko ka ba mo doon, Dota? Hindi crush noon.
Tawaan ako ni mo si Louie.
Wow, si
Turnberry is
Udi,
trying to
wait ka ba?
defend, while
ML,
Chinli
magaykuan.
and Riz, no, Chinli, Lin, and Mai are you know, so longy.
Oh my god.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Ah,
The ultimate of the Odette is so powerful, the Odette. It
Go,
killed
Riz!
3 people from Team Murray. What is Team Murray going to do?
Serti wa si Kim.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Run like the wind! Oh my god! Team Murray is going to advance. Are they going to win? Are they going to win?
Back.
Di na babuk kay top 3 ni Babu.
Wala energy.
Ano, lagot na si Becca kay mo apila siya sa appliances lagi.
Nag-lord, mag-lord, nag-uro na sila, no?
Asa naman? Lord has not responded yet. You have 24 seconds for the Lord to
Dili kay
respond.
kasagaran bag karon pa man naka-try og dula. Si Brul, uy nag-ML gani.
Naglagot sa Bika. Ay, lagot
Isa
sa
nang
Bex.
Brul na nang Brul sa ML de ay.
Naa.
Nag-away pa ning Brul. Inaposta na ko niya.
Rolling na Chinli.
Di siya gita na kay ko.
That's okay,
Sige, basta
guys.
tagli ko niya.
Try to defend the tower. Oh no, the defense of Team Murray has been
Building
broken.
ka.
Oh my god.
Only
Back,
Micah
back,
survived.
back.
Wait, Mike, what are you going to do? What are you going to do?
Uy, Joe and Micah.
No.
Joe and Micah is defending Team Murray's base. Oh no, there's only 1 tower in Team Murray's base.
Ay, kapano.
Gidwaan. Uy. Suyo diri daw pakita daw kun
Ken, sa bot Ken.
Sige. Adi na. Asa ka mo joy dula.
Alright.
Wala pa ko yung ulti. Wait, patay.
Aray.
Sorry, di wala gid.
Say gold to daddy dad.
Say goal.
The goal is to
Appliances. Ang appliances. Ang sama kami.
Oh no, Chinley was able to wipe out 3 members of Team
Wala,
Murray.
wala na tayo chance. Oh, naapa.
Napasikwan si
As
Ann.
long as the tower stands, there's still hope.
Tower niya.
Ayaw sila pa daw na.
Ayaw pa kayo nila. Di alam mo sa tower. Ayaw doon.
Patay.
Victory goes to
Appliances.
We'll be going to work.
Hello, sis. Bronze ako.
Giubo na kinatawa.
Tubig,
Very
tubig, tubig.
obo din
So
namay.
the team is Team James 1, and the top 3 from Dame's team is Lynn, Chinli, and Mai. So we're going to spin the wheel, and whoever wins will win the 3,600 pesos for this week.
Ate May, ano siya makita imong lock? Ate May, sige dabi ko maka-electric fan pa ani.
Ano kami nagdaop? Kala ko
Sige katawa. Sige lang, Riz, o ka next week na pud kay mag-ML la sa tam. Practice ko inig. Di ko magtrabaho og bismates kay practice ang kami. Kaya na kan.
Chinli,
Buang ba?
Mai. No, classic is really good. Yeah, pwede brawl.
Roll? Basta na.
Right, let me
Random hero.
Right.
Pag-practice
So,
tayo,
congratulations to our top
Oh,
3
practice
from
din ko.
James Murray.
Sige,
Team
of
James, I
mine.
mean.
Tinadyo ka na.
So we have Lynn, Chin, and Mai for this week. Good luck, everyone.
Pag ako dyan mayo, may mong electric fan.
Isa ato sa video. Yung isa ay sa spin dia. Kadali Shem. Mag-video ko sa akong screen.
Okay. Everyone ready?
Go.
Ready.
3, 2,
Ready.
1.
Ready,
Go.
ready. Are you ready, Jimmy?
Try again.
Oh! Congratulations, Pai!
Nanalo ka na ng electric fan.
Nalakay, duha ka book, electric pan ate.
Padindot. Oy, no naka-electric fan, May.
Right, so let's announce.
Next week, ako na pod. Game.